It smells like... Aamoy natin. It smells like... Love. I love this one. Bango siya. It smells like Hi mga kacharing! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Ang taga na hinintay na gagawa ng vlog ko kasi super busy ako. Pero busy ako sa study, busy ako sa pag-drawing, busy ako din sa paglalaptop. And of course, mababalik na ako ngayon sa ating vlog. Ayan, na-miss ko natin mag-vlog guys. Ang taga ng hinintay. Sobrang nakaka-busy ako. Sobrang, it's been busy talaga. Pero ever since talaga nakikita ko sa lakanan nila. So, for today's video, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay i-review namin ngayon ang aming new perfumes ng binili ko sa store natin. Ang re-review natin ngayon ang Main Scents Collection by Bench. Actually, this is not a sponsored guys, pero unfortunately, this is also a video. I want to share this video natin ngayon. So, the last time, nung 2016, hindi pa ako nang bumili na ito mga body spray and perfumes ni Main Mendoza. So, actually, nakita mo to sa Trinoma. Ang dami na mga binibili, which is 15 minutes na to. 9 years ago to ha. 9 years ago. Kasi ang dami nagsusold out na mga binibili sa mga perfumes, ng body spray sa Bench Store in Trinoma. And of course kasi, marami nagbibili, na marami nagsusold out, na marami nagdidismaya dahil sa nawawala na ang perfume para sa Main Scents Collection. And of course, kasi ang dami-dami naman nagsusold out, ang dami ng mga sa ibang stores, sa Bench stores, at marami pang iba. And this time kasi, meron na siyang 50% off na bumili na ako sa Bench na mga perfumes and body sprays. So, ayan. So, these are the body sprays and also perfumes from Bench. This is not a sponsor. So, ang makikita mo to, which is the newest scents na to, ang Bench Scents Collection, which is the Main Scents Collection. This is also the 3 body sprays and 1 Eau de Toilette perfume. So, we have the 3 scents. We have this. So, I have the 3 body spray scents. We got Main Girl. We also have Main Love and Main Forever. And also these perfumes, we have the Adopt of Love. So, I will try natin later ngayon. Okay, so let's start tayo for this video. Handa na ba kayo guys? Let's start this video. Okay, so napansin nyo talaga nakita mo to yung tatlong scents ng perfumes natin. So, we have the body spray perfumes. Nakikita ko yan ng in the sets. So, I have 3 body sprays ng perfumes of Main Mendoza. So, uunahin na natin ngayon. So, mamaya. So, let's start tayo sa mga body spray perfumes. Okay. So, the first body spray perfume, which is the Main Love body spray. So, this is a color red design. So, we have a packaging design and the color pink is the lipstick. So, you can see this description. So, ito na siya. Oh. So, this has a packaging design. Is also napakagandang itong perfume na to. Actually, is the prices. So, nakita mo yung price na to. So, this is 128 pesos. So, you can see you can choose 1 or 2 and this one for only 128 pesos. And the perfume naman is only 248 pesos siya na yon. 248. Pero kanina, bumili na ako na to. So, actually, I think it's 300 plus something. So, let's start tayo ngayon sa Main Forever. So, una natin ang Main Forever. This is also a packaging design. So, it's super ang ganda ng quality na to. So, you can see the smell. It smells like a sexy and sultry and super sexy daring. Let's try natin ngayon. Uunahin na natin ngayon ang Main Forever. I love it. I love the scent is perfume. Is para siyang Very sexy and sultry. Yung parang ano lang, very sexy sweet. It smells like sexy sweet. It's also a juicy. But this is one of my favorite na to. Ang Main Love. It's sexy. It is so sultry and super very kissable. I love this perfume. It's one of my favorite is Main Love. It's one of my favorite is the main perfumes of Bench, the body spray. I love this one. So the next scent, so we got the Main Girl. So always same this, another colors is the same packaging design and iba siya ng kulay which is reddish red, the lipstick. So bumili ako sa SM South Mall. So this is the same packaging and ibang kulay which is the color blue. So this is Main Girl and aamoy natin. It smells like cotton candy. Yes, it's very sweet and cotton candy siya. So let's swatch on my hand. This is the Main Girl. I love this one. So it smells like a cotton candy. Pero, mabango siya tingnan. So, pwede ko siyang everyday to. So, pwede ko siyang i-everyday para sa perfume na to. So, napakagandang itong scent. It's it's very sweety. It's very juicy. It's very cotton candy. Pero, ang masarap siya ng tignan. So, I love this product nito. It's one of my favorite na to. I recommend this Main Girl. Super sarap na to. Very girly siya. Rate ko dyan ay parang nasa 10/10. But 10 is one of my favorite is the Main Girl. And the last one is one of my favorite nako. Ito palagi binibili ko. This is the Main Forever. Lagi bumili ako pag tuwing may pasok. So, actually, bumili na ako to ng twice. Ito, Main Forever. This is iba ito. This is another packaging. Same this packaging na to and iba siya ng color which is fuchsia pink. So, this is the yellow color and one of my favorite is the yellow design. So, inamoy siya. Parang nasa high school colleges pero amoy siyang parang ganito. So, let's spray natin. So, let's watch natin again for Main Forever. Mabangaw siya tignan, pero amoy siyang juicy fruit. It smells like a chewing gum na merong juicy fruit. Naalala ba yung chewing gum na merong juicy fruit? Yes. So, napakabango ito, pero one of my favorite na to, ito pinaka-favorite ko yan. I love this favorite ko na to is Main Forever. Napaka-juicy na to. So, super, alam mo yon, super girly talaga. Napakabango siya. This is rate ako is 10/10 again. So, it's one of my favorite ko to. Ang Main na pala, ang rate ko dyan is 9/10. Pero, very sexy and sultry. Kasi, alam mo, sa bagay na to ng mga binibili na to, very sexy, sultry, and very kissable yung pag napabango ka. So, this is also one of my favorites. So, all of these body sprays is all of my favorites. So, ang rate ko dyan is 10/10. So, ang rate ko dyan is, bali na siya, is 50/10. So, 50/10 ako. So, one of my favorite is ito. Hindi, I think meron siyang kulang. I think it's also parang, this is 49/10. Ito. 9/10 ako din is Main Love. Ito, 20% siya. Is 20/10 to. Sobrang napaka-favorite ko. And the last part is one of my favorite. Bumili na ako na to ng perfumes. Ito ang A Dab of Love by Maine Mendoza. Okay, alam ko na siya dati, pero nung nakita ko sa mall, sa South Mall, and then sa Lucky Chinatown Mall, nawala na siya. Pero, eto pala meron siya sa Robinson, meron na siya ito. So, kaya bumalik na siya na restock, kaya nga siya. This is also the packaging design, is also meron siyang glitteries na to, ng mga gold glitteries. And you can see this dito. You can see at the back, merong siyang glittery na to, na merong sparkle glitteries, gold glittery to. And you can see this opening. So, this is also the kiss mark. Yes. And nasa ilalim siya ng description. So, nakikita mo to. So, let's opening natin ngayon ng perfume ng Adapt of Love. Wow! This is also one of my favorite na to, ng perfumes na to. Hindi ako bumili ako mga perfumes na to. So, it's look like the Jo Malone perfumes, pero iba siya ng ganito, pero itsura siya, you can see the photo of Jo Malone. Ito siyang ginawa na tong perfume na to. Para siyang Jo Malone perfume na meron siyang bottle. Similar siya ng Jo Malone perfumes, pero iba siya ng ito. So, this has a packaging design. It's super ang gandang ito. If you can see the Adapt of Love, naka-signature of Maine Mendoza here. And you can see the back is also a gold. So, and meron siyang ribbon dito sa taas ng cap na to. So, you can see this right now. So, eto na siya, meron siyang ribbon. So, amoy na natin ngayon. Bango ha? It smells like Palmolive Naturals na meron siyang pink. Yes. Amoy siyang Palmolive Naturals na merong, Palmolive Naturals na pink shampoo. So, let's smell tayo again. The Adapt of Love. Bango siya. It smells like Palmolive Naturals Intensive Moisture Shampoo. Diba? Amoy siyang Palmolive ng shampoo. And amoy sweetie na to. This is one of my favorite perfumes of Maine Mendoza. Ito na siya. So, napakagandang itong perfume na to. It's also one of my favorite. Kasi napansin ako talaga, nakita mo to sa video na to, and you can see this ribbon. So, hinawak siya ni Maine Mendoza na to. This is also one of my favorite perfumes na to. So, I recommend this pag tuwing everyday ako. Ito na siya, bibili ko na to. So, kanina lang to, or kahapon, or kagabi ako na bumili lang ako. Ito na to na perfume. So, nakita na ko to. So, wow! Ang rate ko dyan is 10/10. So, actually, it's also smells like a sweetie. It smells like a Palmolive Naturals. It smells like a sweetie cotton candy. The perfumes. One of my favorite. So, napansin nyo talaga na to. All of these products of the Bench Store, sobrang napakaganda na to. So, all of these products na to for these perfumes and the body spray of Maine Mendoza. So, ang rate ko dyan, sa body spray ako, which is 9/10. So, itong dalawang ito, perfect 10 to. So, very sweetie siya. Ito 9/10 to sa Maine Love is very sexy, sultry siya yung dating. And Adapt of Love by Maine Mendoza, ang rate ko dyan is 10/10. So, bali na siya ay parang nasa 99/10 ako. So, napakaganda ng perfume. Sobrang packaging. Ang ganda ng packaging na to, and ang ganda ng kulay is also one of my favorite. Yung ibang scents na to, napakaganda yung sweetie and sultry and very sweetie and cotton candies. Inamoy na siya. Ito yung mga scents na to inaamoy ko. So, una, ito yung Maine Love. Yes, ito yung Maine Love. Ito naman yung Maine Girl. At ito yung Maine Forever. At ito yung Adapt of Love. So, sinaswatch ko dito sa ating kamay. Mabango siya tignan, pero alam mo, sa bagay na ng mga perfumes na makikita ko, inaabangan natin. Next week, aabangan natin ngayon ang re-review natin ngayon. Soon, yung bibili ko soon na naman is aabangan ko yung next week. Another bench naman ng perfumes natin. So, i-review natin soon. At dito lang natatapos ang ating video na to. And don't forget to like and share. And huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, Carl Ivan Ningao Entertainment. Huwag nyo po kalimutan ating social media accounts. Dito po yan sa link description box na ito at ipapakita natin sa ating screen. Once again, this is Carl Ivan Lingao. Always remember, stay positive, stay safe, and stay beautiful inside and out. Carl Ivan Lingao is now signing off. Bye mga kacharing!